Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your apps updated on Windows 11. So it's a very app based function here in Windows 11 compared to Windows 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the search button and search for store. Okay, open that, let it load. So once you're there, you're going to go into your account right here, go into settings and make sure app updates is turned on. Okay, so this will allow you it will automatically update any apps that has new updates, so it will just automatically update it and it won't prompt you for anything, so you can just update it will update it automatically, so you won't have any issues. So if you have if you want to see whether there's any apps that are not updated, you can see here something called library. Click on that and here all of your apps will be displayed. Okay, so if you have any apps that are unupdated, okay, this here button will say update. Okay, so you can just click on that update and it should update your apps. Okay, so if you want to see the get updates, just click on get updates right here, the blue button, click on that and it will search for any updates that have for this apps. Okay, so it's a very simple process, and yeah, that's all for this video, and thanks for watching, folks.